Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blur Marketplace offers using US Collections easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Blur Marketplace website. Once on the home page, sign in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, select the offers section from the main menu. Within the offers section, look for the option to create a new offer. Click on the Create Offer button to start the setup process. Now, choose the collection from which you want to make offers. If you are using US Collections, ensure you filter the selection accordingly. Once you've identified the collection, select the specific item you wish to offer on. Next, input your desired offer amount in the designated field. Be sure to check the current market price to ensure your offer is competitive. After entering the offer amount, review the terms and conditions. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking the Submit Offer button. You should see a confirmation notification indicating your offer has been successfully created. To manage your offers, return to the Offers section and view your active listings. At this point, you can adjust or cancel any existing offers as necessary. Finally, keep an eye on your offers for any updates or responses from sellers. Congratulations! You have successfully set up Blur Marketplace offers using US Collections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.